if I may, it is such a special privilege. I've never been in the Greek Parliament before. I've been to Athens, the birthplace of democracy. So this is, in a way, in particular, thrilled feeling to be here in the Parliament, in the birthplace of democracy. I've heard great things about you, Mr. Vučić. So it's my honor to meet you. I'd also like to express my condolences to the people and the government of New Zealand. And we stand by them against acts of violence, hatred, and prejudice. We've done something really remarkable. It was very difficult. It still probably is, to some extent, difficult for both societies. Because, first of all, change is difficult per definition, but fighting taboos and stereotypes and prejudices is always a tough thing to do. I really feel that we are on the right side of history. I think that we have created a piece of Europe in our part of Europe when Europe needs it, by fighting for friendship and for hope and for optimism, against stereotypes, against staying in the old trenches. We have also managed to produce a bit of presence and future. We are all so proud of history in our region, but we don't have enough future. And I think we have unlocked a huge potential for the relations between the two countries. I won't be at peace until we convince every single citizen, both in the Hellenic Republic, in Greece, and in North Macedonia, that this was the right thing to do. And that our two nations are natural allies. Your neighbors. You cannot build friendship with a neighbor if you don't show respect and if you don't understand each other, and this is what I think we have started. We are already working on the visit of Prime Minister Alexis Tsipras. This will also be a historic step, and it's really only normal for two neighboring countries to work on issues that matter, on cross-border cooperation, on economy, on energy, on security. We have so much to gain from this relationship. It will be a matter of time, leadership, and wisdom, but I think looking back to the Prespa or Prespas, we don't want another name dispute, agreement, that we will all be proud of, even the opponents of the agreement. And we will convince all political parties and the public opinion on both sides. Time will convince them. And I don't have any doubt about that. So I don't want to be too long. I'm very much appreciative of your time. I know that you're busy. I also apologize to the Greek public. I'm here since Delphi. It's been only 2 weeks. I promise I won't be here in 2 weeks again. But I think contacts, talking, getting to know each other will help. And I'm really proud that also personally, not only on behalf of my country, that I had a role in this historic reconciliation.